Morning guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. Sun's a little bit in our eyes this morning, but we're up out early, catching up with Tom and Dan. We're about to head off in the bread van. We finished work on her about midnight last night. There are a few things still that we've got to sort out, but now the gearbox works, the brakes are a lot more solid than they were. We'll see how she goes on the drive today, but looking good. Purchased some wheels from Tom that he used to use on his 1957 single cab, and we've removed all the unnecessary items and we've gone back to stock, so she looks pretty good sat on those. And these are the back ones. Not a bad little setup. She does need a wash because as we gave her a bit of a wipe over late last night, I think her eyes were a little bit blurry, and it's just past 7 o'clock this morning, so we're still a little bit foggy eyed, but she could do with a wash, but I think a good drive would help her out today. Tom's 1957 bus, looking good this morning. Matt's convertible, AC fitted.
Done it rich this morning. Yeah. But it seems okay. Mine's fine.
What engine has it got in it?
2.2. Little fuel injected. Huh?
Max's camper. Look at that. This is lovely. We'll get a bit more of this bus later. This has been all over the place. US, Germany, in and out of England, back to Dubai. Lovely bus. Tom's again. And then we got here without any issues and without anything falling off, which was a bit of a surprise. First time for everything. Let's go find a coffee and get some breakfast. I'm actually starving.
About a kilometre long.
Yeah.
There's a bar at either end. So we're about in the middle now, but the rest is not licensed.
Just the either end?
Yeah. But it's cool.
It's very nice.
Let's go.
I was down here in the Trekker. Just had a great breakfast. Boys are out. Dan's here. Still not bought an air-cooled car.
Never will, mate. Never will.
So, 66, matching numbers. Very happy owner.
Yes.
Stunning
For
bus.
me, it just needs to be lower. That's it. I love it.
You just want to lower everything though.
This deserves to be low, though. It's nice.
I think it's stunning.
I'm so glad that you're driving that. This is what I actually really.
Yeah, the patina's not something that kind of gets picked up here very often, is it? Because you won't get it past registration normally.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the stickers, yeah.
The last trip in Europe, and it was from just outside Warrington to all the way down Italy, Croatia, Slovenia, all the way back up. No issues.
Yeah, stunning. Important things to have on your seat while you're going for breakfast. Nice little selection. Really looking forward to this. We've been out in the sun for a little while having breakfast. Really looking forward to seeing how these seats feel. All lined up for the photo shoot. Nice turnout. Then we're all on the beach. What a lovely day. Look at that.
Famous guys on YouTube again.
Stunning. Great morning. Lovely morning out on the beach. Look at that. Dubai Aircooled cars. Great turnout from the lads. What a morning. Guys are taking photos of everything. It's nice to be able to get down on the beach. Weather's fantastic. Brilliant. Pretty happy the lifeguard's here. That means we won't get stuck with the bread van. Great view from the back of the cars as well, because there's Burj Khalifa on the right hand side. Wow, what a great morning.
Because you know it's going to be a disaster, and you're going to just create loads of content. Every video is going to be guess what the bread wagon's going wrong again. It's going to be.
Today the bread van broke down doing It's a stunning morning. Hi everyone, we just got back from taking the bread van out and hanging out with the Aircooled crew here in Dubai. Got Jiggy a bit of a chew, so he's happy. I've not left him alone too long, and feeding him seems to make him get over all of his problems. The bread van did all right. We had just a small issue as we were coming over the beach back onto the road. I think we scraped it a little bit underneath and might have pulled an electrical wire out. I'll have to look at that. Generally drove really well, so engine's cool, engine works, which is a big positive and step forwards. Gearbox is great, so things are looking good. Great day out with the guys, great breakfast. Le Mer's definitely a great spot here in Dubai. We'll catch you soon with a new video. Please like, subscribe. See you later guys, bye.